Hello everybody and welcome to my mod installation tutorial where I will be going over how to install mods and what mods are about. It's the basics. This is a universal tutorial on how to install mods, and it applies to almost every mod that's out there currently. The first question is, what are mods? Mods are short for modifications. They add new gameplay features and experiences to Minecraft. They can even take away features that may or may not hinder gameplay experience. They can also add in old features that were taken away by Team Mojang. So, where do you get mods from? The main place to download and get mods from is the Minecraft forum. The link is provided here on this bump. Here you can find most of the mods for Minecraft along with update information and find out what people are saying about the mods. So what is it you need to install mods? Aside from the mod files themselves, the most recommended tool you can get is 7-zip. The link is provided here on this bump. 7-zip allows you to open zip and RAR files, which most mods are stored in, so you can download them as a package. It also allows you to open jar files, which is a Java archive made up of class files. Without 7-zip or a similar program such as WinRAR or even WinZip, you will not be able to put the files into the jar like you need to. This is very important. As a side note, 7-zip is a free program, whereas WinRAR or WinZip you may have to pay to activate the program. One of the most important steps before you start modding is to back up your Minecraft folder. This includes your save files and all the worlds that you've created. You want to do this. I cannot express this enough that you need to do this. Otherwise, you're going to end up breaking your Minecraft. Here are the steps on how to locate your Minecraft folder. In all versions, simply run Minecraft, click on the Texture and Mod button. Click on the Open Folder button next. You now have the Texture Pack folder within your Minecraft folder open. If you go one level up, you are now in the Minecraft folder. The next step is to make a folder somewhere that is easy for you to find. This depends on what operating system you have. The way I do it is to create a backup folder on my desktop where I put all my Minecraft backup stuff in. This is a short video on how to do step 1, which is to locate your Minecraft folder. Since I'm not as familiar with Macintoshes as I should be, I found some step-by-step instructions on how to find your folder for Minecraft for Macintoshes. And a special thank you for an old post on the Minecraft forums from Nonstop NES Dude. Before we move into part 2, here are some good tips on backing up. Be sure to make a copy of Minecraft in its vanilla state. That means without mods, saves, etc. Just Minecraft in its normal state. You can do this by just getting a new Minecraft download. Keep this separate from all other backups you'll be making, and do not put anything else in this folder from this point on. This is done so you can continue to use that version of Minecraft even after official updates come out. Also useful is to make a zip file with that backup with 7-zip just in case you mess up the folder somehow or your computer gets erased. Something disastrous happens that you can't retrieve your backup. Keep the zip stored on a thumb drive or even on another computer, including your iDevices, smartphones, if you have one with the ability to store files. And now we will move on to part 2. The key to modding is understanding what the Minecraft jar file is. This is the file you will probably be working the most with when you are modding. The first thing you need to know about the Minecraft jar file is that it is located in the base root Minecraft folder in the subfolder called bin. So the total folder would be the Minecraft bin folder. Number 2 is if you open up the Minecraft jar file, you will see that it contains a bunch of class files. This file also contains graphic files such as those used for terrain, user interfaces, and items. The thing you should know about class files is they contain properties and the program code for specific functions of the game. The ones in vanilla unmodified Minecraft are called the core class files, a very important term to remember and take hold of. The one thing you might want to get used to is the naming convention used for the class files inside the Minecraft.jar file. You'll see that it's like a lot of groups of letters like AA, B, AAJ, so on and so forth. So if you see those in a mod zip file, then that mod is changing a core class, which is very important to know later on. We'll explain that as we go on. One of the most important things to know is that if any mod changes these core files, as I was just discussing, the content of that mod zip file will have to be put into the Minecraft.jar file. Here are some important things you should need to know as you're installing mods. 1. As you install mods, make a backup of the Minecraft.jar file and or the Minecraft folder itself. That is very important. Test Minecraft with each mod that you install to make sure it loads. Number 3 is if Minecraft still loads after a mod is installed, make a backup right then and there. That way you're guaranteed to still have a working backup of Minecraft before you install the mod. 4, if Minecraft fails to load after a mod is installed, go back to your last backup and try to find out why the mod is not installing and running properly. One of the most common reasons why Minecraft fails to load after installing any mod is because of the meta.inf folder was not deleted. Delete this folder while you have the Minecraft.jar file open with 7-zip. So what is that old pesky meta.inf folder, and why must it be deleted? This folder contains version checks and a list of contents of the Minecraft.jar file, or any Java program for that matter. If any file is different from what is on that list, the Java program will create an error and not load. In Minecraft's case, you will probably get a black screen and nothing will happen, but it will generate an error report. This, however, is not required for a Java program to run, meaning the meta.inf folder. So it can be deleted without any problems. This following video shows you how to open up the Minecraft.jar file with 7-zip in Windows and delete the meta.inf file. So this leads us to the question of what mods should you install? This question can only ultimately be answered by you. What type of experience are you looking for in Minecraft? But be aware that mods are not infinite. You may not find what you're looking for. Look to the forum and see what mods are right for you. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. The most important about mod selection for yourself is to read the entire thread about the mod. I cannot express this enough. This not only includes the mod author's original post, but many of the recent posts. This will make you aware of problems and updates with the mod. Number 2 is if the installation instructions are not on the forum thread of the mod, they may be included in the mod's zip file. This, of course, is a crappy way of doing things on the mod author side. The instructions should be on the forum and in the mod, but you may not always get what you want. Number 3 is if there is no apparent instructions for installation, you're either going to have to experiment, read people's posts on the thread, or skip the mod entirely. Number 4, be cautious about mods where the author is new, with only like a few forum posts and has provided no pictures or videos of the mod in action. You may be risking problems such as Minecraft account theft or even a virus. Don't be utterly paranoid, but do be aware of this issue. Number 5, there will be times when a mod will conflict with another mod because they change the same core class files. At this point, you must make a choice on which mod you want to use. There's no way around this. If you use the utility called Minecraft, which is explained later, this can check for potential core class file conflicts between mods. Number 6 thing to keep in mind is mods have requirements. These are other mods that you have to install in order for the mod you want to work. After you install most of these requirements once, you probably won't have to do it again. Each mod's forum post, usually they will list the requirements. Some of the most common and popular requirements for mods are ModLoader, Audio Mod, GUI API, Mod Options, Minecraft Forge, and Shaka's API. These you will see in most Minecraft mods, especially ModLoader, which we're going to go into in part 3. So what is this ModLoader, and why do so many mods require it? ModLoader is a mod itself that creates a common ground for mods to load into Minecraft. Without ModLoader, each modder would have to modify the same core class files in order to get their mod to load and work properly. ModLoader stops this core class file conflict from happening, in most cases. So where does one get ModLoader? Most modders, if they are wise and on top of things, will link directly to their requirements. If not, you can get ModLoader from the link below. The link is also in the description of this very video. And here is a small video showing what Risugumi's page will look like if you're in the right place. So how does ModLoader work? First of all, it was created by Risugami. He should get credit for that. As explained, without it, all mod authors would be conflicting with each other as they modified core class files, specifically the ones that load in other class files. It creates a common hookup point and loader for a mod's own class files and loads from the Minecraft mods folder in a zip format. This saves you, in most cases, from having to install hundreds of class files into the Minecraft.jar file. This is a special message, so listen up. If this is your first time modding and you're kind of new to modding, then you don't need to listen to this part. This message is for more modders who have done this a bit and for mod authors themselves. Do not ask people to put class files into the Minecraft.jar file if it doesn't need to be there. The only reason why people should ever have to open the Minecraft.jar file is if a core class file has been changed. Doing otherwise defeats the purpose of ModLoader. If you are familiar with the core classes, keep an eye open. Some mods you will not even have to add into the Minecraft.jar file. Just put the class files and any other folders for the mod into the zip file and drop it into the Minecraft mods folder. Again, only if it does not modify core files. Once it modifies core files, that's when you're going to have to put it into the Minecraft.jar file. Mod authors should be already aware of this. There's no reason to put stuff that doesn't need to be into that Minecraft.jar file. Now let's get on to installing ModLoader. It's time to get our hands dirty and get in there into that Minecraft.jar file. I'm going to divide this into steps, and at the end I'm going to show you a video of how to transfer files from one zip file into the jar file, just so it is covered. But step 1 is to download ModLoader. We've already shown you where to go to do this, and the link here is here again on this bump and is in the description of this video. Step 2 is to find and open the ModLoader zip you just downloaded. You should know where your downloaded files are stored. I refuse to hold your hand on that particular step. If you don't know how to find that file you just downloaded, have somebody come over to your house and take away your internet. Step 3 is to find and open the Minecraft.jar file with 7-zip. As stated, this is in your Minecraft bin folder where we showed you before. After this is a video showing you how to transfer files from one zip to another using 7-zip. As was seen in the video, delete the meta-inf, this is step 4, folder. You won't have to do this again for any other mod unless you reinstall Minecraft. Step 5, and probably the most important, is to run Minecraft and make sure it works. If you get a black screen, go back and do step 4, just to make sure you've deleted the meta-inf. If you did step 4, seek forum help, because there's probably something else wrong. If Minecraft works after that point, back up your Minecraft folder, and that way you have a working copy of Minecraft with ModLoader installed. If Minecraft is loaded after doing all that, congratulations! You just modified Minecraft, and you've opened the way to installing more mods, pretty easily actually. Unfortunately, there are some downsides to Minecraft and modding it. Block IDs, entity IDs, and sprite IDs. These are limited in number. The more mods that you use that add more blocks, items, and mobs, the less room you have for other mobs that do the same. I kind of apologize for this part. It's kind of stating my own agenda here. If you have a chance and have Notch's or Team Mojang's ears open, please ask them to increase the amount of block, entity, and sprite ID. This is a major limitation in modding Minecraft, and actually requires the use of further mods to correct this problem. And in that case, you have to wait until those mods come out when things get updated and stuff like that. So it takes even longer. So if it was just part of Minecraft, it would be just a much smoother process for all modders. Even with all the great experiences of using mods out there, actually outweigh the downside of using mods. And the downside is whenever Minecraft is patched or updated, you will lose the use of your mods if you choose to update Minecraft. You'll have to wait until the mod and the mod's requirements, for example, ModLoader and any other mods that have to be installed for a mod to work, to update to match the new version and get rid of any problems that have arisen because of the update. So why is it that mods won't work after an update? For the same reason why we need ModLoader. As an example, we have vanilla Minecraft. ModLoader is added and changes core class files, which also include code in Minecraft of the version of that time. So basically, ModLoader is modifying a few of the core class files with extra code inside of it. And then when Mojang updates their core files, they change a lot of things. These new changes may interact with new game features or fix bugs. So if you try to install an old ModLoader, per se, into a newer version of Minecraft, it's not going to have those hooks into the fixes and new features of Minecraft, and will most likely crash or give you a black screen or just cause problems. So that is the main reason why you can't use old mod files with new versions of Minecraft until they get updated. The other major downfall is discontinuation, and this is sad. Sometimes real life happens to mod authors, and either gets bored or has to quit. Something just happens in real life where they just completely have to give up the mod. And then the mod dies pretty much right then and there because they have the source code and people need permission to use their stuff and redistribute it. And in very few cases, someone will pick up the mod, get the permission, and continue the mod and resurrect it. Even rarer, somebody will have a similar idea and make a whole new mod with similar features, and life goes on. You know. So those are the only really major downfalls of modding. There's so many good things about mods that you should use them. You should try them out. Find something that's good for you. This is the end of this tutorial. I will be continuing further on with specific mods at this point when I get the chance. And we'll see you then. Until then, take care.